is almost out for summer vacation, but we are going to make sure that our dolls can still enjoy a little summer reading by making a miniature little free library, which kind of looks like a dollhouse on a post. For this project, we are using a few jumbo craft sticks. Take 4 and line them up side by side. Draw a line going straight across at the bottom. Draw an angle at the top, making a house shape. Cut on the lines marked. Cut standard popsicle sticks. Glue them going across at the bottom, top, and middle. Place it onto 4 more craft sticks. Trace around it. Make a small mark at the top just under the popsicle stick. Draw a line going across. Cut on the lines drawn. Glue a skinny stick across the top. This will be the front of our library. Take the leftover craft sticks. Draw a line 1.5 inches from the top. Cut. Glue popsicle sticks going across to use as a floor. Glue the floor to the back wall. Cut the ends off of standard popsicle sticks. Glue 3 going across to match the back. Glue it onto the side. Repeat for the other side. Cut craft sticks to make a shelf. I added a skinny stick across the front. Glue it on top of the popsicle sticks. Glue on the front. I can see it starting to take shape. Cut 3 craft sticks into 2-inch pieces. Line up 3, glue them together with a popsicle stick. Glue them on top for the roof. Add a skinny stick on top to cover the seam. Use skinny sticks to make a frame around the opening. I continued the trim along the sides and the back. Take coffee stirs or skinny sticks and clear plastic from packaging. Cut the clear plastic to fit over the opening. Cut the coffee stirs to frame around the clear plastic. Glue them around the clear plastic. Cut small pieces of black ribbon. Glue them to the back of the frame. Turn it over and add more coffee stirs, closing the ribbon on the inside. Place it onto the opening. Glue the ribbon to the side wall to make a door. Cut jumbo craft sticks. Stack and glue several together. Make a small platform. Glue the stack of craft sticks to the center. Glue the little library on top. Now let's paint it. I'm using a red acrylic paint on the inside and the sides. Paint the roof and post black. Glue plants around the bottom. These are artificial plants I found at the craft store. I filled it in to cover most of the wood. Our door needs a little help staying shut, so I cut a small piece of wire, curl the ends, bend the center, then push the loop in the center up. Cut another piece, make a small loop on one end, place it on the center loop of the one we made earlier, close it all the way so the 2 pieces are connected. Cut another piece of wire, bend both ends to make an S. Bend one side to make it perpendicular. Glue the S hook onto the front so that one side is sticking out. Take the 2 looped ends of wire, glue it onto the side, measure and bend the end to make a hook to latch on to the front door so we can keep it shut. Cut a leftover popsicle stick, paint it white, paint a sign, glue it onto the front for a sign. Write "Take a book, leave a book" on the door to complete our doll-size little free library. Now we just need some books. On our blog, myfroggystuff.blogspot.com, we have a new free printable book available. Download and print, cut out the 3 strips of pages, fold them accordion style, applying glue on the back between the folds to make double-sided pages, leaving the first and last pages single. Take the last page, glue it to the first page of the next row, then the last row, and the first and last page should still be single. Cut out the templates, glue them onto recycled paperboard, cut them out, Cut out the book cover, fold on the lines, glue the paperboard between the folds, making sure there's a little space between the sides and the spine. Fold over the tabs and glue them down. Glue the loose pages to the inside of the cover. Place a binder clip on the spine and allow it to dry. To make hardback books for our free library, place them inside along with some of our other printables to complete our miniature little free library. I saw one of these life-size by the beach and I thought it was the cutest idea. And the organization Little Free Library celebrates its 10-year anniversary this week. And now our dolls can join in on the fun. All they have to do is open the door, select a book, and enjoy an afternoon of reading. Whoa, this is a real story. The Tale of Prince Naveen. That's right, people. Sophie Darby has done it again. Wrote the #1 book in the Dolliverse. And this time I meant to get published. A tell-all story about Prince Naveen.
Wait, Sophie, that book is about me?
Uh-oh, gotta go. Thank you for joining us while we made a doll-sized little free library. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog.
And you're done. Happy crafting!
We want to give a shout out to Creative Geek 07. What's up? I just came up with the best plan ever! I am going to stock all of the little free libraries with copies of my novel. Just mix it in with the Perry Hoppers, and everyone will think it's like a total bestseller. Just gotta make sure the door is closed. And nothing can stop me now.
Sophie, where is that book?
Uh-oh.
Hey, come back!